New dairy product being launched.
Hi, come in and take a seat. Thanks for coming. So this is a focus group for a new dairy brand.
Would you like to try new milk?
Give it a try.
Can I taste it?
Yeah, it's for you. Tell me what you think. Have a taste.
Tastes kind of sweet as well.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Well, Jeff's milk is nice.
White. It seems whiter than white.
This is a smooth. It's like a milkshake, basically, but smooth. That's regular cow's milk.
It's dog's milk.
What? Fuck me. What do you mean that's dog's milk?
Dog milk?
Milk for dogs.
Why you give me, I drink dog milk.
Do you mean that this is produced by a dog?
You should have said that first.
Promoting dog milk now.
Dog milk.
Instead of cow milk.
Yes.
Shame.
Milk from dogs.
Would you ever drink that madness?
No.
Never.
No.
Never. Would you drink it?
You know there's pus in cow's milk.
What do you mean by pus? Is it like a fence?
Like pus, like stuff you get from boils.
Oh my god, are you kidding?
No.
Wow.
There will be a big advertising campaign that will explain all of this.
Don't use that picture.
It's disgusting.
Are you being serious?